Hi, I'm May. Well, we're in the middle of Storm Bert. We've had 70-mile-an-hour winds on the south coast here, and although we haven't had any snow apart from a few days ago, it's been pretty wet and pretty blowy. So I'm going to go down the allotment and check it out, see how the polytunnel's doing, see whether there's any damage. So come and have a look and see what's going on. So here we are, going down to the allotment in Storm Bert. It's 60-mile-an-hour, 70-mile-an-hour winds. I'm just going to check out, make sure the allotment's alright, what's going on. It's pretty windy. So we're not looking too bad. Some of my buckets are blown around and the compost bins, but it's not looking too bad. The chairs are not blown about a bit. But everything looks pretty good. The compost bin blown about a bit. But not too bad. So my polytunnel door kept blowing in with the wind, so I made a wooden frame and I've attached the battens across so it won't blow in now. I've got one up there and one up there. I've got a padlock here and another lock here, so it makes it pretty secure so that door won't blow in. So one of the benefits of a big polytunnel is when it's raining outside you can come in and do some jobs. So I'll go and have a look round, see what's going on in here. It's certainly blowing about out here. Look at the door blowing in and out. I've got a little lock on here so I can lock it shut, so it won't blow now, so that's quite handy. Just keeps it stopping from blowing. So the next lot of peas, they're doing alright, they've come up through, and some more board beans. We've got some more peas, this lot here, well they've gone a bit dry, and they're not going to survive very well. But we've got some more peas, we're going to pinch off these so they can grow in a bit longer. And I'm going to replant the board beans out in the allotment. Temperature in here is 12. So it's not too bad a temperature. The grapevine is losing all its leaves now. Which is a pain, because they're losing it all over the beds. But at least the worms can take them in. And that's the board beans over the back here. Looks like they've been eaten. And then the onions and the garlic. So the broad beans have grown from their poles, so I need to get this back on track to grow up the pole. I'm going to give this a quick weed, a quick hoe, and then that'll be it. Just going to tie these up. This one's looking really sad. Tie that one up. Tie that one up over there, and then we should be okay to give it a hoe. Well, I've just done a few pottering jobs, just potted around. Didn't do a great deal really. Just keeping an eye on the allotment really, keeping an eye on other people's polytunnels and other plots. But the rain's going to come down just after lunch, so I'm going to make way, get back before it gets really wet. So let me know, have your allotments suffered any damage, or your polytunnels? Let me know in the comments, and that would be great. And I should make a move now. It's going to rain by about 1 o'clock. The wind is certainly getting up here. Polytunnel is really moving. So, best to get back before it gets too bad. Cheers for now.